everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Although dark circles under your eyes are mostly caused from fatigue, there are many other reasons why you tend to get dark under eye circles. You have factors such as allergy, rubbing and scratching your eyes. However, regardless of how you get your dark under eye circles, they are natural remedies that you can use to get rid of the dark under eye circles. Now, dark under eye circles are also caused from poor circulation. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you a natural homemade remedy that you can use under your eyes to boost the circulation and eventually get rid of the dark under eye circles. This remedy is also good for puffy eyes, eye bags, and also for getting rid of the wrinkles and fine lines around your eyes. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
Now take a look at the first ingredient, and I have here some parsley leaves, fresh parsley leaves. Now this is one of my favorite ingredients to use around the areas of my eyes, especially for the dark circles, the wrinkles and fine lines. I've been using this for many years, and this is one thing that actually gives me amazing results, no joke. Now you might be wondering why parsley. Parsley contains vitamin C, chlorophyll, and vitamin K, which is one of the most important vitamin in getting rid of dark spots and blemishes. Parsley helps to lighten discoloration, diminish age spots, and also it helps to reduce puffiness under your eyes. So definitely, if you have been struggling with dark under eyes, why not give the parsley a try? So what I'm going to do with this parsley, I am going to be blending. So first, to make sure to wash your parsley thoroughly before you use it. Then I'm going to take the stem off. You don't really need to remove the stem, but I like to take the stem off. And then I have a small blender. Now if you try to juice this parsley leaves without adding water, you will be juicing forever. You're not going to get much water from it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of a water to it, place it in the blender like I'm showing here, and then I'm going to blend. Now after blending, take a look at this. Here we have some fresh parsley juice. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to strain the parsley. So use a strainer or a piece of cotton cloth and just strain your parsley. And next we have fresh parsley juice. So I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you my next ingredient. Now take a look at my second ingredient. I am going to be using carrots. These are baby carrots. Use whatever type of carrot that you have. Now one of the main reasons for using carrots is because of its vitamin A and beta carotene properties. Now vitamin A helps to protect your eyes from dark spots and blemishes. It also helps to clear up wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It helps to reduce acne. It also helps to get rid of puffy eyes, and it helps to keep the skin firm and supple. So definitely an amazing ingredient to use under your eyes, around your eyes, and on your face on a whole. So what I'm going to be doing with the carrots, I'm going to be blending also. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to the carrot also, and then I'm going to be blending. So after blending, just like with the parsley, I'm going to be straining the carrots. And take a look at this fresh brewed carrot juice, and here we have the two main ingredients, which is the carrot juice and the parsley juice. And now I'm going to move on to the other ingredient, which I'm going to add to these two ingredients. So you're going to need a container to store your remedy in, and I prefer to use a glass jar. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be pouring these two, but let me measure for you to see the measurement. So I'm going to take a quarter cup of measurement here. So I'm going to use a quarter cup of the freshly squeezed carrot juice. Pour this in my jar. And I'm also going to be use the same amount, a quarter cup of the parsley juice. Pour this in. And I have a little extra in my container here. I'm not going to waste it. I'm just going to pour it in also. And then I'm going to give it a stir. Mix well. And now here we have our remedy. Now this is pretty easy to use. You're just going to soak a cotton pad in this, place it over your eyes, leave it on for about 30 minutes, take it off, rinse off, and then you use an overnight eye cream, eye serum. Now I'm going to show you how to make a quick serum or eye cream for the areas around the eyes after using the carrots and parsley leaves. So what I'm going to be using as the base for this eye cream is some carrot seeds butter. This is amazing, guys, when you use it under your eyes. By now you know I'm using it for its vitamin A and its beta carotene properties. But guys, this really helps to hydrate your under eyes. It helps to soften the wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to smooth the skin. And the good thing about this also is that it's good for your entire face, your neck, your décolleté. It is also great for your nails, your hair, just your lips. Just an amazing ingredient to have in your oil collection. So what I'm going to be doing with this, I am going to mix it with some lavender oil. And lavender essential oil is another oil that is good to use for your dark circles and puffy eyes. So these two combined is going to make an amazing oil. So now a good substitute for the carrot seed butter is some rosehip oil. So if you don't have the carrot seed butter, you can use some rosehip oil. You can use some carrot seed oil. You can even choose to use some morella oil or some cacao oil for this recipe. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the carrot seed butter. And next, I'm going to add a few drops of the lavender essential oil. If you do not have lavender essential oil, you can choose to leave it out, or you can choose to use some orange essential oil or some orange oil in this recipe. And now I'm going to mix the two oils together. Guys, you can even add a drop of the rosehip oil to this, and you can even choose to add some aloe vera gel to this. You can kick it up a notch. Now, as I said, if you do not have the carrot seed butter, you can also choose to use some shea butter, add some oils to it like some cacao oil, some rosehip oil, or some marula oil. Just play around with your oils for this recipe. The most important thing is to choose oil that contains vitamin A and vitamin E. So now that this is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scoop it out in a little container like this. And for this recipe, you do not need to keep it in the refrigerator. You can keep it at your nightstand so you don't forget it. So what you do, you use the remedy with the carrot and the parsley. And when you rinse that off, then you take a little bit of this, dab it under your under eyes, sleep with it. And guess what, guys? Give this a week to work. And before you know it, you're on your way to clear under eyes. But not only that, you're on your way of removing your dark circles, your puffy eyes, and your eye bags. Give it a go and come back and leave your comment. Now when it comes on to our parsley and carrot mixture, you can store that in your refrigerator for about 7 days. Make sure to use it up in 7 days.
So here you have it. What an amazing combination of ingredients. You do not want to just watch the video, you want to give this a try. So get your ingredient together, get in your kitchen, make it, use it for a week, and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video with another wonderful remedy just for you.